Welcome to this new video. This time I want to go over a different command that is going to be able to display domain or subdomain information for a specific target. So in this case, I'm using Kali Purple for this, but you can download the command on any Kali distribution if it's not installed, or you can download it on your Ubuntu computer if you prefer. And the command that I'm going to be showing you is assetfinder. So if you do assetfinder -h, that's going to display the entirety of the command, which is only this. This command is only designed to display one simple thing, and that is subdomains for a specific target. So the way you would use it is you do asset target -d, which is actually not -d, I'm getting confused. You do minus subs only. As you can see, I ran this on Microsoft before, but let's run this on another target, let's say bbc.com, and we want to export this to BBC assets, right? So let's do that. Hit enter. And what's going to happen is that the command is working in the background. The reason why it doesn't display anything is because I'm redirecting the output to this file. So let me come here, ls. As you can see, I have BBC assets. So let me do something here. cat -n BBC assets. And that's going to display 836 subdomains that it detected, including the wildcard. Now, the reason why I create videos on different tools is because it is good for any pen tester or any information security analyst or anyone working in security to have many different tools that are able to perform the same thing. The reason for that is because no tool is perfect, right? So if you follow my channel, you are going to remember that I created a video on another command called Subfinder. Subfinder is another command that allows you to find subdomains for a specific target, and I created a video for that, how to install it in Ubuntu using Go and all that. I installed this on Kali because it's not part of the distribution. So for this, I just want to show you one thing. If we do Subfinder, well, let's get there. Let's go through this real quick. The command, as you remember, or as you can see here, is pretty simple. So just type the command -d and then the domain name. That's going to be the basic configuration of the command. Then you have other options. You can use a file to scan multiple domains, if you will. You can include wildcards and dead domains based on the information it believes it has, or you can write the output to a file. So something that I want to show you here, and I don't really remember if I went over this in the video that I created for this. One of the most important things when it comes to open source intelligence are the different sources that you're using to collect that information. Remember that I've told you that there's no command is perfect, and you have to use different commands to validate the information from one command to the other. So if you come here and you do -ls, this is going to show you all the sources that Subfinder is using to collect that information. As you can see here, we have a lot of information. Now, when we do the asset finder, we don't have that function because that is already built into the code. So it's like the command is only to do one thing and do it. So let me come over here and we're gonna do the same thing on BBC. So let's do subfinder minus d space bbc.com, and we're gonna send that to what did I name that file before? I named it BBC assets. This is gonna be BBC subs, right? So I'm gonna hit enter for this, and that's gonna do its magic. So let's wait for this. Okay, the command finished, and again, it didn't display anything on the screen because I'm redirecting the output uh, to the file. So just in case you're wondering, by using the symbol right there. So let me come over, and in this case, I'd have BBC subs, which is the output of the command of subfinder. So let me go cat minus n BBC subs. And you may be asking yourself, what is it that I'm trying to show you here? What I'm trying to show you here is, as you can see, the both commands came up with answers, but they have different answers. On one of them, it shows that I have 836 subdomains, and the other shows that it has 557 subdomains. But out of all these subdomains, we don't really know the domains that are actively working. And again, at the time that I'm doing this test, we're going to have these results, and perhaps they're going to bring subdomains up and down all the time for whatever reason. So the results are always going to be different. My point is that always use different tools to verify results from one to the other. And even when you verify the results, you have to keep narrowing down. One of the other things, or one of the videos that I created before, is how to use Subfinder with HTTPX, which is an option to validate domains. But even if you come here to Subfinder, let me come here for 1 second. This is a useful switch that you can use if you use NW. It says that it's going to remove the wildcard and depth subdomains from output. So let's go back to this and let's do this one more time. And we're going to use minus NW, and we're going to do BBC subs 2. So let's wait for this to finish. And as you can see, the command finished. So let me do ls, and this is the result for Subfinder NW. So let me come here. And what I want to say is, okay, so as you could see, oh, this is going to show me actually the same amount, 567 like lines, I should say, or subdomains, versus 567, which is going to show me the same result, but it doesn't mean that they're all, like active subdomains. But as you can see, Asset Finder shows 836. Again, this is one of the things you're going to be used for your reconnaissance information gathering. Again, no tool is perfect. I have used other different tools and I have created video to some of them. So if you want to get more information about, how to collect information and do reconnaissance, subscribe to my channel, click on the like button, and I really hope that this information was useful to you and that you keep learning. Again, I will talk to you on the next video. Bye.